Welcome to Reef Relief. Reef Relief is a cozy farming game in which you try to save the ocean with all means possible to you.
We all know the ocean's suffering. Plastic pollution, dying reefs, endless waste. And too often we're told the answer is just swapping straws or avoiding bottle caps. But the truth is, there are real science-backed solutions that can make a massive difference. The problem? They're not being shared with the people who need to hear them. You. It's time to change that. Dive in, learn the real ways we can heal our oceans, and be part of the solution.
Games are powerful tools for making complex, dry information both fun and unforgettable. That's why we created a game that doesn't just entertain, it empowers. Learn real-world ways to save the ocean as you explore, collect, and restore. Dive in, make an impact, and discover that saving the planet can be an adventure.
As an ocean restorer, you'll explore vast underwater landscapes while collecting crucial resources like algae and plastic, using real-world processing techniques to transform your findings into sustainable materials that breathe life back into the ocean. Upgrade your gear to dive further, clean faster, and help the ocean to the fullest. Not everything can be processed, but nothing goes to waste. Trade unprocessable items with overwater partners. The ocean needs its guardian and is only waiting for you to answer the call.
This game made me rethink my connection to the ocean. Collecting and restoring underwater ecosystems isn't just satisfying, it's meaningful. I learned real-world solutions while exploring stunning depths. I didn't expect the game to change my perspective, but this one did.